Amplitude modulation. In amplitude modulation, the amplitude of the carrier wave varies according to the information signal. There are different types of amplitude modulation. Pulse amplitude modulation, PAM, pulse duration modulation, PDM, or pulse width modulation, PWM, pulse position modulation, PPM. Modulation of a carrier wave. There are two waves used in modulation. One is the carrier wave, which contains the signal, and other one is the modulating signal that has high frequency. There can be various types of modulations such as amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, or phase modulation. Let Ct equals to AC sine of omega Ct represents the carrier wave. Also, Mt equals to Am sine of omega Mt represents the message or the modulating signal, where omega m equals to 2 pi fm is the angular frequency of the message signal. The modulated signal Cmt can be written as Cmt equals to AC plus Am sine of omega t into sine of omega Ct, which can be written as AC multiplied by 1 plus Am by AC sine of omega mt whole multiplied by sine of omega Ct. Note that the modulated signal now contains the message signal. This equation can also be written as Cmt equals to AC sine of omega Ct plus mu AC sine of omega mt sine of omega Ct. Here mu equals to Am by AC is the modulation index. In practice, mu is kept less than or equal to 1 to avoid distortion. Using the trigonometric relation sin A into sin B equals to half of cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B, we can write Cm equals to AC sine of omega Ct plus mu AC by 2 cos of omega C minus omega mt minus mu AC by 2 cos of omega C plus omega m into t. Here omega C minus omega m and omega C plus omega m are respectively called the lower side and upper side frequencies. The modulated signal now consists of carrier wave of frequency omega C plus two sinusoidal waves, each of frequency slightly different from the known side bands. The frequency spectrum of the amplitude modulated signal is shown above. This is a plot of amplitude versus omega for an amplitude modulated signal. As long as broadcast frequency, that is carrier waves, are significantly spaced out so that sine bands do not overlap, different stations can operate without interfering with each other.